Alright, what's going on? Facebook and YouTube. Alucard the Scarlet Impaler is back with new settings and new sound settings, new tripod, new mic, and shooting a test video here to open some packs and make sure that the after quality of the recorded video is good to go. Just like before, I'm going with Rayquaza, something Rayquaza, picked up at Target, and hopefully we should be good to go, and maybe pull out something good. If this video, forgot to mention, if this video works out well with the quality, the recording quality, and all that jazz, I will perform another lightsaber build stream tomorrow night. So let's hop right in. Now I think this Rayquaza is kind of bent already, so I gotta be real careful with it. And then Rayquaza is kind of bent up there, but you know, I'm not gonna complain. He's still a basic 120 that could possibly deal 40 damage for just 2 energy, so he's still not bad. Matt with Green It with Evil would want him. Then we got a coin here of, I want to say Dialga, Palkia? It doesn't actually say. He looks potentially cool, though. Oh well. Let's get to the important parts here. Let's get to the packs. Alright. I don't know who's on any of these covers. Well, except, well, I don't know. There's Yveltal and Xerneas, I believe. So, alright. Never mind. The gold threw me off. So let's open this guy first. Nope. Genesect, okay. Matt just said that this might be a Genesect coin, so good to know. And I think these are the 3 cards to the front. And then guys' code. 1, 2, 3. Klefki, Dewalt, Watt, Gardevoir Spirit Link, Dano, Shellos, Mankey, Fungus, funny name, Bugmite, Reverse Ampipom, focus here, and a rare Yanmega. If you have exactly 4 cards in your hand, ignore all energy in the attack cost of this Pokemon's attack. Okay, that's not bad. If you could somehow pull that off. Let's put him down. This foil's there. Go with Y next. Guys' code. Before we go any further, Clefairy, Anorith, Skiploom, Fletchinder, Marill, Oshawott, Krogunk, Tangela, another Dano, Reverse Spiritomb, which he is a rare, so that does make... This is definitely a 2 rare pack. And then full art Japanese text Mega Steelix EX. Wow. Okay, I did pull something good, see? Target and Rayquaza. good stuff. So, put these down over here. Actually, let's see what Mega Steelix EX does. This attack does 10 damage to each of your opponent's bench Pokemon. Steel and 4 energies for 160. And your turn ends when, okay, standard Mega Evolution rule. But for 240, he's still in fighting, and man, if you can get that many energies, he's gonna be just stomping. Alright, last pack. Hashtag pull power. Let's go. Even though the pull power was in that pack there. You guys' code. 2, 3. Monferno. Flaffy. Armored Fossil Shieldon. Fletchling. Mareep. Drifloon. Apom. Lavesta. Reverse Oshawott. And Volcarona. Plant Fire. Oh, I remember this guy. Flip a coin. If heads, your opponent's active is now confused. If tails, your opponent's active Pokemon is now paralyzed. So either way, you're going to do something to them for only 1 energy. That's not bad. Second attack's is pretty lame, but it's all about that one right there. All about that top. Just keep poking it away. Alright, that's it, guys. That's it for today. I got some good pulls, some interesting reverse foils. Got the promo, got 2 rares in a pack, one with the Mega Steelix EX. And all the rares I've got were all pretty good for today. So, my 3D printed Charizard and Squirtle Army, which not all of them are in frame, but here we go. All agree. So you guys have yourself a good night, and may the force be with you.